In the latest update to the Thrive Leads plugin, we've added a new way for you to get attention for your opt-in forms and to get more leads onto your mailing list. I'll show you right away how to set this up because it's so quick and easy to do. All you want to do is go to your WordPress admin dashboard and go to the menu manager. That's Appearance and Menus. And then here in this sidebar, you'll find a new element. You can click on this Thrive Boxes menu item, and here you will see all of the Thrive boxes you've created. So in the Thrive Leads dashboard, anything you've created right here where it says Thrive Boxes, these are now selectable in this menu. So I'm going to select one of these examples and click Add to Menu. And this now appears as a regular menu item. You can move it around and put it wherever you want, just like any other menu item. And if you save the menu, let's look at what happens. On the front end of the site, in the main menu, which is where I place this menu item, we have a new example called Thrive Box Example. And when I click that, it opens the Thrive box. And of course, you have full control over exactly how this appears and what its design looks like. But the simple feature is that you can now trigger a Thrive box from a menu item click. As you can see, I'm using the default 2016 WordPress theme here. So this is a feature that works if you have Thrive Leads, and it works with any WordPress theme. Now, if we switch themes, I'm going to switch this to a focus blog theme, which is a Thrive theme. Here you can level this up even further. So if I go back into my menu options here, because this is a Thrive theme, a new option is available when I expand one of these menu items. I can do the highlight menu item. And if I save this now, this adds another level of attention grabbiness to our whole setup. Because right here, if I reload this page now, this is the result. So you can see that now we have, on top of this being a lightbox trigger, we also have a highlighted menu item. So you can draw some extra attention to that menu item and use it to build your mailing list. So that's a quick look at how the new menu item trigger works. And that's just another tool in your arsenal for building your mailing list as a Thrive Leads user. If you have any questions or feedback about this, please leave a comment below. And if you appreciate these frequent updates, help us out by spreading the word and sharing this video. Random behind the scenes question for today is, what's your favorite smell? So the first thing that comes to mind is that tea. I sometimes drink tea, and tea always smells so much better than it tastes. So there's some great smelling teas. For example, jasmine tea smells so great and tastes like water. It's a bit weird. But my favorite smell is probably cinnamon. I'm a huge fan of cinnamon, and the smell is part of that.